She's a super freak, she's super freaky.
The first word that comes to mind. Daddy! I mean,
Dobby the house elf.
I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer, but my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed.
แค่ฉันมีเธอก็จบที่เธอคนนี้ไม่มีใครใหม่สะกดให้ใจฉันยอมตลอดไปเธอคนเดียวที่ทำให้ชีวิตฉันมัน alright เข้ามาทำให้โลกของฉันสดใสดีอย่างแค่มีเธอ I can't believe it.
Hi, I'm returning this. Ma'am, this is your baby. I know, it was like crying a lot and like, my household's like all positive vibes only, so like, yeah, it just didn't really work out. Okay, do you have the receipt? Fuck, are you serious?
Capta. The Queen is coming.
You so fucking precious when you smile.
Peace up, A-Town down. Yeah, okay. Been that lady when I call you. Yeah.
I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for
What happened to my heart?
what happened to your heart?
Well, when the first time I told you, when I saw you, my heart fell in love with you.